The World Travel and Tourism Council has revealed that Kenya's tourism sector is set to contribute a record 1.2 trillion Kenya shillings, an equivalent of $9.3 billion to the economy in 2025, equivalent to more than 7% of our national gross domestic product. Our commitment to enabling tourism to prosper is underscored by the government's transformative strides in improving our infrastructure. The upcoming Nairobi-Nakuru-Mau Summit Highway, for instance, will dramatically ease travel from here, Nairobi, into Western Kenya. It will also provide seamless access to iconic sites